Welcome back. Markets coming off the day's high. Even the Nifty Bank is looking a little bit jittery. Let's hope that, in fact, we hold on to at least yesterday's lower levels, because at lower levels, we did see some bit of buying. But a good time to get in our next corporate. We have NCC. They posted a solid set of numbers in the third quarter. Remember, earlier in the year, the company had gone ahead and upped its revenue guidance to around 30% from around 15 to around 20%. The company has also been talking about order inflows in that vicinity of around 17 to around 20,000 crores. So let's zero down on that. To help us out with that, we have Mr. Vijay Kumar, the head and VC Finance at NCC, who joins us. Hi, Mr. Kumar. Good morning. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, what's it likely to be? What do you end this year with in terms of order inflow? I think you had given a broad band of around 17 to around 20,000 crores. What do you think you end with?
Yeah, see, we have not given a specific number as a guidance, but then, okay, there is a broad reference to that particular point. We have seen an order inflow of 12,000 crores in 9 months. And 5,000 crores in Q3 alone. So I think this is a pace equivalent to like 30% growth in order inflows compared to previous year. So I think we will be able to maintain this quarter also the same kind of pace. That's what we can say.
Crores order inflow in quarter 4. So that would be 12 plus 5. So you'll at least be at 17,000 crores.
I'll not be able to give you a specific number as such. But then, yes, the order inflow for Q4, I think it is likely to continue.
Okay. You earlier had revised your guidance for FY23 upwards to a 30% growth in revenues with 10% EBITDA margins. So can you tell us, do you hold on to that guidance for the full year? And also for FY24, what would the guidance be on revenues and on margins?
Yeah, as I said, my board has not given a specific number as a guidance as such. We are probably now we are quarter 4, so anybody can easily guess how the momentum is being maintained. The margins are likely to continue at 10.5%. The Q3 it was 10.5%. Which is higher compared to quarter 2, which was 9.6%. So I think for 9 months we have posted something close to like 10%. In the same vicinity, we can expect the Q4 also to close by.
Okay, and can you give us, you spoke about the order book numbers, but can you give us some visibility on where are you seeing orders coming from? Which are the orders you could be onboarding in the next 12 to 18 months?
Right now, actually we are a multi-vertical operating company, and right now buildings constitute 50% of our orders, and then next followed by water and other segments. I think the same sort of proportions may be continued in the coming quarters also.
All right, Mr. Kumar, just want to understand. Give it a longer term view. In the near term, I think you're a little bit jittery, or you don't want to give a fixed number in terms of growth. But by 2025, what's the outlook in terms of revenues? You're already in the vicinity of around 14,000 crores odd. You have an unlisted competitor, Mega Engineering. They do around 20,000 crores odd. Do you think that you'll get to around that 20,000 crores at least in 2025? Could that be the vision?
We have posted something like 25% last quarter 3, and we have already reached the pre-pandemic level of 3,000 crores of run rate in the quarter 4 of previous year.
Yes.
I mean 2022. So that is the growth during this year is partly attributable to the lower base, which was due to COVID decline. So to that extent, that will be moderated. That is something what we can assume now.
Okay, so we assume mid-teens growth as well from this base that you're doing. If we assume mid-teens growth as well from this base that you're currently doing, you should be in that vicinity of around 19,000 crores or 18 to 19,000 crores by 2025 at least.
Not 19,000. So if you take mid-teens like 15-20% growth. Now, so it will be something like around that, 17,000, 18,000.
18,000 crores.
Okay, 17, 18,000 crores. Can you tell us about this Vizag land sale that you did, the proceeds? Has it come in, or is there still a delay over there? Any kind of timeline that you're looking at?
There is a slight delay in obtaining the proceeds of Vizag sale. We have already received one installment. Another installment we can expect by, we are expecting it before March end of this year.
And what would that be, the second installment by March?
That will be something close to 50 crores.
50
Okay. Any other non-core assets or land sale that we would be looking at in this calendar year?
Right now, there are no immediate plans, but however, in next couple of years, we'd be definitely looking at something about in that respect.
Okay, Mr. Kumar, what is the total amount you to receive for the Vizag land, and how much have you already received?
It is supposed to be 200 crores for equity consideration and 320 crores for repayment of loans extended by NCC plus interest on that.
Right. So, out of the 200 crores, how much have you received?
150 crores is received.
150 crores.
And 50 crores
50
more
crores.
is what?
Okay.
Sorry, say that again. You received 50 crores and you're expecting another 50 crores, is it?
Another 50 crores.
Okay. And what is the SEMCORP arbitration status right now? When can we expect a resolution there? Will there be a one-time payout? Any kind of provisions that you have to make?
No, not really. Like SEMCORP is now at an advanced stage after a long time. Now the arguments are getting completed this month or by March end. I think we should be able to expect the award by June, July, something like that, something around that.
Okay, all right. Final question, Mr. Kumar, before we let you go. The central government has been focusing a lot on the Jal Jeevan mission. You have a project, I think, in UP. What is the progress on that front?
Well, we are fairly progressing now. I think we are billing to the extent of 25% already in that respect. That is fairly progressing well as per the schedule.
All right. We'll leave it there, Mr. Kumar. Appreciate you joining in. Good luck with all of that. And thanks very much for being with us here on the program. You know, the markets come off sharply. We've got about